Today, we are traveling to Surin Islands. Surin Islands is in Phang Province, in the south of Thailand. It has two main islands. We'll stay in Chong Khad Bay, in the North Islands.
Surin Island.
A month before, we went there by one-day tour. This time, we'll stay overnight. Surin Island is unparalleled beauty of nature because it's untouched by mass tourism.
เหยียบฟ้านะจ๊อกไอ้แจ็คอย่าเหยียบฟ้านะ
Now we already arrived in Surin Island. If you stay in Chong Khad Bay, now you can to check in. And Mangan Beach, they have to take a long sailboat to Mangan Beach.
Surin Island is 55 kilometers off the coast. It takes around 1 hour from Kulaburi Pier. We got the boat tickets to the island at Sabina Tour. It costs 1,700 baht per person for the round trip.
So beautiful, yeah?
We are back!
Very beautiful. Unique.
We'll stay in the island for 2 nights. They have the accommodation, which belongs to the national park. We can book from their homepage. Our room costs 1,700 baht a night. The room is very nice. We can use electricity only from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. There are some kinds of rooms. All rooms are just across from the beach. There is one restaurant. Basically, we have meals in there. Also, there is one cafe. We went there a lot during our stay in the island. Surin Island is very quiet and peaceful. Even around the lunchtime, when tourists come to the island, it's not very busy. The perfect place for relaxing, with pristine nature.
Maybe.
Maybe.
They're kind of big.
One of the things I was looking forward to doing the most was snorkeling. The last time I was very attracted to the world under the sea in Surin Islands. This time I will try to take a video.
What's that?
Lastly, we visit Morgan village. When we came to the island at the one-day tour, we went there. This tour was amazing. It cost 1,950 baht per person, including lunch and snorkeling 3 times.
Where we are now?
Morgan Village
Yeah.
in Surin Island.
Yes, Surin Island, Morgan Village. So cool. I want us try to stay here one night.
Yes.
Do they have homestay here?
นี่ที่ไทยครับแอนเดนนะชมเพื่ออย่าเลย
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our movie. Bye bye.